Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from profit and loss. Okay. If a stall sells a pizza at rupees 200, he makes 20% loss. If he wants to make 10% profit, then at what price should he sell? That is the question. Four options are also given in this problem. This is one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R. S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2018 in SSC CGL Tier 2 CBE examination. In this problem, a stall sells a pizza at rupees 200. So, selling price is given first. But in that process, he got 20% loss. Okay, loss is 20%. Okay. So, first of all, we have to find out the cost price of pizza. Okay, then after that, he wants to make 10% profit in that. We have to find out the selling price. Okay, let us see the first one. Cost price is equal to SP selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. That is the formula. Okay, CP of pizza is equal to SP is given as 200 into 100 by 100 minus 20 because 20% is loss, no? So that is 80. Okay. Now 0 and 0 get cancelled. 4 is going here 5 times, here 2 times. 2 is going here 2 times. So 5 into 50, that is 250. Okay, rupees 250. That is the cost price. Okay. In the next process, he wants 10% profit, no? So, we have to find out the selling price. So, SP is equal to CP into profit percentage, no? So, 100 plus profit percentage by 100. What is CP here? Rupees 250. Okay, 250 into, he wants 10% profit. So 100 plus 10 over 100. Okay, it is 250 into 110 by 100. Okay, 0, 0 again 0. Okay. Now 25 into 11. It is rupees 275. That is SP. So correct option is option C. Correct. Thank you.